Eddie, there's a genocide. Come on, Eddie. There's a genocide. You're complicit in genocide of the Palestinian people. You are complicit. Come on, Eddie. Eddie, help us. Eddie, help us save them. Come on, Eddie. The Israeli terrorists are committing a genocide, and the U.S. Congress and Senate are complicit in funding the bombs that are forcing children to be slaughtered and massacred. Shame on this government. The United States of America is complicit in genocide. The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children.
Stop.
The Israeli terrorists are forced starving children. They are massacring children.
If they'll arrest veterans, they'll arrest you.
Stop the bombs! 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 Shame on you! You're complicit! This is your legacy! This is your legacy!
Okay, you have to leave.
You're not allowed to come in the room. That's how
You have to leave.
civil liberties
Nope,
are
you
just
can't.
like completely different.
You have to leave.
You're going to touch a veteran like that?
You just have to leave.
Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you? Why are they arresting you?
They're arresting us for speaking out against genocide.
Stop the bombs!
The U.S.
Stop the
Congress
bombs!
is paying for the death of children,
Slaughtering babies!
women and children.
Stop slaughtering babies! I can't. Stop fighting. We are being arrested right now for interrupting a foreign affairs hearing on nominations because the U.S. is complicit in genocide. They are complicit in the slaughter of babies.
When the United States Congress comes after veterans, they will come after you. Every American sitting at home right now needs to realize that you are paying for a genocide.
Rise up! Rise up, America! Rise up! It is time to take back this country from these corrupt politicians. It is time. It is beyond time.
We're going out to the loading dock.
Thank you for your service. Starving children! Stop starving civilians! If you ever wonder for one moment what you would have done